Hi and welcome to Comcast Local Edition. I'm Elena Russo. Our next guest is here to tell you how you can donate your time in helping others in the community. Please let me introduce to you Mr. Spicer Bell, the Director of the Community Foundation of the Eastern Shore. Thank you very much for coming in.
Elena, it's great being here.
Now, what you do in your organization is you help people figure out how they can help others. Tell us a little bit about ShoreCAN.
Well, for 25 years, the Community Foundation has been supporting nonprofit organizations across the Lower Shore. We've done that through financial support and through our training programs and that sort of thing. We decided that another way we could help them was to help them fill the volunteer gap, so to speak, and recruit active volunteers to their programs. So we're launching a new website and a new program that will help connect people who care with volunteer organizations in the community and help them put their energies and talents to work.
Now, you're out there working for nonprofits, trying to help them recruit volunteers, and there's so many people out there that want to give their time and they want to do something that's passionate to them. So this is a great way, I guess, for them to figure out where they can do it and something that interests them.
Absolutely, it really is. Unfortunately, when we talk to volunteers, people who are potential volunteers, often they don't volunteer because they haven't been asked. And we're asking them. We're telling them there are real benefits to being a volunteer, to getting involved, to getting out in the community, and we're going to help them connect. They can contact us. I know you'll show our contact information on the screen. They can go onto our website, www.shorecan.org, and research volunteer opportunities in the community. We're going to keep that information very, very current. Or they can call us. And actually, we have a volunteer. We have a young man, Jonathan Fitzsimmons, who himself is a VISTA volunteer. He's volunteering a year of his time to help us get this organization up and running.
Wonderful. Now, you have got a big ribbon cutting ceremony coming up. Let's talk about that.
Well, actually, we're going to launch this officially on October the 14th at 1 p.m. with the ribbon cutting. It'll be the official ShoreCAN ribbon cutting. Actually, the website's up and running now, so if somebody wants to get a sneak preview, they can do that. But really, we're not focusing just on October 14th. We're focusing on the needs in the community and helping connect people who care with opportunities for them to volunteer.
And let's talk a little bit about volunteering. I mean, there is a lot that comes with it. I mean, there's an incentive to do that, not just to help others, but also to help yourself in many ways.
Well, absolutely. If you talk to volunteers, there's a lot to be gained from volunteering. It's an opportunity in this day and age in the tough economy. It's an opportunity to maybe try a career that you think you might be interested in, or to flesh out your resume, to make new contacts. Actually, there are folks out there who are unemployed. They may actually benefit themselves by volunteering and getting some experience and entree into a new job. So there are lots of opportunities, and I think I shared with you before we started taping, actually volunteering can save your life. Volunteering is beneficial, and we live in a very stressful environment, and research scientists have found that those people who volunteer are much better able to cope with stress in their lives.
I think that's a great point that you made too, that volunteering is a great way to start a new career, especially now a lot of people have lost their jobs. While you're waiting to interview for a new one or even to find one that interests you, get out there and meet people. Maybe there's something out there that you didn't realize interests you.
Yeah, get involved. And there are just some, sometimes we stereotype volunteer opportunities. There's some very, very interesting and unique volunteer opportunities out there where you can learn a great deal also. So people ought to get involved. And ShoreCAN, the ShoreCAN Volunteer Center is going to be an opportunity to do that. It's going to be an opportunity for them to connect with places that will enrich their lives and experiences that will help improve the quality of life here in the community.
Do you provide opportunities in all of the Lower Eastern Shore?
We cover Somerset, Wycomico, and Worcester County. We actually already have some opportunities listed on the Volunteer Center from Sussex County. And actually, when you go to the website, you can tell how far you want to go from your home in order to volunteer.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much. We remind our viewers to check out shorecan.org.
And volunteer.
You've just heard from Spicer Bell, the Director of the Community Foundation of the Eastern Shore. To learn more on what's going on in your community, check out On Demand and click Get Local. For Comcast Local Edition, I'm Elena Russo.